Step out. Oh, my goodness. Step out, ma'am.
Is this Black Hawk Down? Like, who are these people?
The police department.
You got somebody on the floor, bro. She looks 607, bro.
At first light in Tampa, Florida, officers sprint toward a 911 call, reports of an 18-year-old Strangled in her own home.
Tampa Police 911, what is the address of the emergency?
I was just trying to get strangled.
Okay, do you have a unit letter or number?
Unit.
Okay, and what's going on?
I was just trying to get strangled. But I just woke up from passing out.
The dispatcher's urgency hangs heavy, every word a lifeline racing through Tampa streets.
By who?
Mom.
I'm sorry, by who?
Mom.
Is she still there?
Yes.
How long ago did this happen?
This happened like 34 minutes ago. I just woke up.
Okay. Where is your mother now?
She's outside my room.
The call cuts out, and dispatchers try to reconnect with the caller, later identified as 18-year-old Natavia Sanders, who told police her mother just strangled her to the point of passing out. Officers waste no time racing to the scene.
I know you're in the home. Just come to the door.
You can almost taste the adrenaline as officers fumble for keys and adrenaline pulses through every transmission.
The lights are out. I think I hear him screaming upstairs, but I can't tell.
One officer thinks he hears screaming coming from inside the home, when seconds later, backup arrives.
What's up, brother? Was it?
And then I couldn't tell if it was screaming upstairs or where it was.
Look, the couches are up on the wall. Can you see this? Like up here? See this? Yeah. Almost like they're not barricaded, but you heard screaming? Yeah. Did you hear a scream for help or something? I couldn't tell. Police department! I can tell it was close. Tampa Police! Come downstairs! Tampa Police Department. Good morning.
He's all in the home.
Everybody?
Okay. Can you come outside for me real quick, please?
For what?
Police identify the woman seen here as 38-year-old Rotesha Silvius, who's about to get a serious wake-up call.
Because we got a call for service here.
Not here.
Lady, don't play the game. You ain't gonna do this. Don't do this. Grab her. Ma'am, stop. Stop it. You're not gonna stop us from entering the house.
I didn't do that.
Lady, ma'am. Ma'am, open the door.
Stop.
All right, well, this one in. 3-1, come in front. Ma'am, stop resisting us. Stop resisting us. We're here for a lawful reason, okay?
Here, got that?
Sit down.
Look on my Facebook.
Sit down here.
Finding Natavia collapsed on the cold tile floor shifts everything into stark reality. The camera doesn't flinch. It forces you to stare into a moment no parent should know. Asterisk.
Just hang out with her. Go in my car. I gotta go upstairs, man.
First responders perform life-saving efforts while waiting for the next to arrive.
Just keep an eye on this.
How old is the oldest?
Rotesha is secured with a patrol car when officers head inside and find Natavia called 911 just over 20 minutes earlier, unconscious.
Upstairs. Upstairs.
What? No, she's in the kitchen. Kitchen.
Oh. Right here, man. Okay.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Not responsive at all. Found here, possibly choked out, maybe a very faint pain.
All right, let them do their job.
Yeah, I'm gonna let them take over here.
Yeah.
Try to keep as many people out as we can, let fire do what they gotta do, and then we're gonna broke this out.
EMTs rushed the 18-year-old to a hospital where she would survive for 2 days before passing away. A medical examiner determined Natavia's injuries were consistent with strangulation. Meanwhile, Rotesha waits in the patrol car, where things take an unusual turn.
Step out. Oh, my goodness. Step out, ma'am.
Loretta. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
She combative?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong with you?
Watch the suspect's eyes. They flash defiance, then fear. That split second tells you more than words ever could.
Get one of them to come over here and say so as well. No, she was talking to us and had a rapport, and she started making something about being taking something. I forget exactly what she said. Something about
We'll just have fire.
Yeah.
So check her. Don't let her fall.
Put it back in.
Can't put it in.
Come on.
In the back of the cruiser, her calm voice cracks. Each question peels back layers of denial until the truth wriggles free.
And you live here? How long have you lived here?
A few months.
A few months? Okay, who do you live here with?
Me and my children.
Your children? The small children? Like the babies? I seen one or two little babies. What about the other person there?
No, I have 3 kids.
You have 3 kids? How old are your kids? How old are they?
9, 3, and 4.
4? Okay.
Rotesha tells the officer she has 3 kids under the age of 10, but fails to mention her 18-year-old daughter, who was found on the kitchen floor. Keep this in mind for later.
9-year-old.
They're all upstairs.
They're all upstairs?
We were all up there.
Okay.
We just got up and I was going to give them a bath.
Who's in the kitchen? Somebody's in the kitchen a little bit older than 9, though. They're not 9 years old.
I couldn't even tell you.
You couldn't even tell you?
I only have 3 kids.
Okay. Okay. All right.
We're just gonna have fire just look at you, make sure everything's good.
Say they got another one.
Okay. Thank you.
Silence reigns as officers process evidence. The weight of what they've seen settles into every heartbeat asterisk.
Are you able to sit back? Look at you.
Another officer questions Rotesha from the driver's seat of the patrol car when her story quickly changes.
Who went to the hospital just now, do you know? Who was that? Oh, you have 4 kids? Okay, what was that daughter's name?
Natavia Sanders.
Now, Rotesha tells the officer she has 4 kids and identifies Natavia as her eldest daughter when she previously claimed to have, quote, no idea who was in her kitchen.
I'll actually leave her. If she doesn't want it, she wants it. We're good.
I'm fine. Are y'all okay? Why are y'all here?
What's that?
If you could just look at her and make sure she's...
You don't want us to check you out?
No, I'm fine.
I go the influence or anything.
Everything's fine.
Police and fire.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, okay. Alright, we're going to walk over to the other car, okay? You able to walk?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Rotesha refuses medical help and is shortly taken to another patrol car while officers prepare to take her to jail.
We're going to go to this.
We're gonna go to this car over here. You refusing to be seen? Okay. Sit right here. Face the car.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
You're good. Lift your hands up just a little bit. Take me to the back pocket. Sorry. Huh? He's a little bit screwed. Not yet. I think so. Are you good?
But it's
Hints of regret flicker in her tone when she finally agrees to medical treatment. Too little, too late.
medics.
You just told him you didn't want to see him. Hey. Now she wants to see you guys.
My foot.
Okay.
I have a couple of things on it.
Okay. They could treat it when you get there. There's a doctor there that could treat you.
Well, we can't treat it.
Okay, can you look at it?
I know, ma'am, but I see the scrape and stuff like that. That's what I'm saying. They're gonna take an X-ray. They can do all that stuff there.
I don't need an X-ray. I just need this looked at on my too.
I mean, what do you want me to do? The only thing I can give you is a Band-Aid for that, ma'am. I'm not at a hospital. I'm just doing a treatment.
Thank you.
This is it?
She just wants us to look at it.
Okay, they looked at it.
He looked at it.
Right. What do you want them to do?
He just said that I could go to the ER and they'll give me an
No,
X-ray.
you will do that at the jail.
They have, the Orient Jail has a whole medical staff there that.
Why?
We're not going to the hospital.
Especially for that.
Yeah. So is there anything else you need them for, ma'am? Okay. Thanks, guys. Sorry.
No worries. I told her I'll give you a Band-Aid.
Yeah.
2 days later, the medical examiner's ruling crystallizes the chaos. Homicide. A mother's story shattered and a family's truth left to haunt empty rooms. Asterisk, asterisk.
Rotesha was taken to jail and booked. Charge was upgraded to first-degree murder. Court records show Rotesha was originally found incompetent to stand trial, but at last check, she was, quote, returned to competency and is expected back in court this spring.
All right, ma'am, step out. I'm going to go around there to that door over there. Right here.